Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanendra from English with Village Vlog. Guys, of course I'm here to tell you how to practice in English, also how to become fluent in English. No matter whether you are alone, no matter whether you have environment or teacher or not. Of course you are going to become fluent in English soon. See guys, do what I say, because I have done such kind of thing, and now you can see I am able to speak English just because of what? Just because of my study, and just because of my practice, also just because of my consistency. So believe in you and just start practicing in English, because if I talk about learning grammar, so it's quite easy. People can learn this grammar within 2 months, 3 months. It's okay. But after learning grammar, we don't practice, and then we feel like uneasy with this English language, thinking that, oh, I have learned this much grammar. However, I am not able to speak. Why am I not able to speak? Other can speak. I am not. I am not able to speak. So the reason is only one, that you don't practice. So start doing practice. Now you must have one question, that how can I practice, because I am alone. Whenever I am going to practice by myself, so I feel bored, I get stuck. That time I don't know whether I am speaking wrong or right, or maybe I don't have topic to talk. So it happens. So today I am going to tell you how to practice being alone at home, no matter where you are. Suppose you have learned all the grammar rules, suppose tenses, passive, causative, conditional, and some other structures, and also you know some basic words. So just find any kind of topic. Yesterday, my friend, he was robbed, उसको लूट लिया गया. Yesterday, my brother, he was angry with me. My mom, she didn't make breakfast yesterday. It could be any topic. Choose any topic and start speaking on that topic. You are not going to feel bored, because you are going to enjoy. So let's start. I'm going to show you how to practice. So suppose karo, my topic is yesterday my mom didn't make breakfast. So on this topic I'm going to talk by myself, because I don't have environment, don't have people to talk. So let's start. And by this way I'm going to start my tongue and mind. So don't skip this video. I know you, most of the people, they just run after show off, where you can see lots of like subscriber and views. But here it's a genuine video. I'm not showing you any showcase, and now I'm not going to tell you so many things at the same time. So I'm also like you, I have learned English by myself. So just uh, listen to what I'm saying here. Suppose I want to practice. I don't know anything. I'm alone, but I have to practice, because I have been told that if you don't practice, you can't speak. So suppose yesterday my mom didn't make breakfast. So on this, I'm going to speak. So actually what happened? Yesterday I got up in the morning, I got fresh. Then I went into my room, I turned on the fan and TV. I started watching TV because it was hot yesterday. After half an hour, I called my mom and I asked, Mom, please give me something to eat. Then my mom said to me, actually, today I didn't prepare breakfast. Hearing this, I got surprised. I got shocked, and I asked, Mom, why did you do so? Why didn't you prepare breakfast? My mom said to me, actually, there is nothing in the kitchen. How can I prepare breakfast? Then I said to mom, Mom, I'm hungry. What should I do? My mom said to me, okay, do one thing. Go to my room, and you will get you will get my purse, and take 100 rupees and go to market, and buy something, so that I can make something for you. Then I said okay. Then I went into my mom's room, and I tried to find my mom's purse, but I couldn't. I failed. Then I asked my mom, Mom, where is your purse? My mom said to me, oh, it might be on the on the bed. Then I checked there. I found my mom's bag, and I checked. There were lots of money there. Then I took that purse, and I took out 100 rupees note, and I took a poly bag, and I went to market. Actually, I went to market on foot, because market is not so far. After reaching that market, I saw there were so many vegetables were being sold, and there was a huge crowd also, and I managed to buy some vegetables, some green vegetables. And after that I saw uh, a eatery shop where a person was selling water balls. So I went there. There were two people. They were having water balls. I went there. I asked the shopkeeper to make me eat water balls. Then he like gave me 10 water balls. Then I ate, and after that I felt good. Then I came back to my home and I handed over all the vegetables to my mom. Mom went into the kitchen. She prepared breakfast, and she gave me and I ate. After that I went into my room and I started watching movie, and I kept on watching movie for half an hour. Then I got a call. My mobile was on the table. I received the call. It was my friend's call, and I after receiving my friend's call, I asked, "Hey, what happened? How are you?" Then he said, "Yes, I am great. What about you?" I said, "Of course, I am also great." Then he asked me, "Hey, actually today I want to go to Geo Park because I'm not feeling good. You can see this, the weather is so hot." I said, "Okay, at what time will you go?" Then he said, "After half an hour we will go." Then I said, "How can we go, because it's so hot and the time is around, like now it is 2 p.m. He said, "Okay, let it be, but I want to go literally because I'm feeling bored." I said, "Okay, come, of course we will go." Then my friend came after 5 minutes, and he came by his bike. So we both went to Geo Park by his bike. And when we reached there, we found lots of people there. Like there, some of them were sitting, some of them were running, and they were doing some kind of activities. So we spent lots of time. All of a sudden I saw a beautiful girl. She was sitting under the tree, and she was listening to song. So I started talking about that girl to my friend, and I asked lots of questions. My friend said to me, "Yes, actually this girl, I know this girl. She comes here every day, and actually she belongs to this place. Actually she has come here to uh, to her uncle's home." Okay, then I asked, "Okay, so what does she do here?" He told me she studies here. I said, "Okay, that's great." After spending some time, I came back to my home. Did my friend. So my friend also. So after that, we both came back to our respective home, and after reaching my home, it was like 6 p.m. So I again started watching TV, and finally around 9:30 I took dinner, went to bed and slept. So it was your topic. If I want, so I can create lots of million topic for me, and I can speak like this. Why am I going to, why do you feel bad? Why do you feel stuck, get stuck? Why do you get stuck? Why? Because you, I don't know how you practice, but you, if you practice like this, of course you can find topic. Also you can uh, find to speak lots of things. People say, I don't know, but I don't feel good when I am going to practice. By this way you can practice. There is nothing, and you have to do, guys, because you don't have partner, you don't have environment. So don't think lots of things, just do things, because if you do, then you can see the result. Otherwise I don't know what you do, whether you are a writer, you are a reader, and I don't know. So find your interest, follow your interest. Also focus on your speaking skills. So now here I can speak because I speak every day. So that is why, make like practice makes a man perfect. So of course it is right. So follow this. Thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. I'm going to, of course, tell you lots of things in my video. So bye.